Hi everybody, welcome back to my Microsoft Excel course, and today we're gonna be talking about really interesting situation. So for example, you have some tasks list, you have task 1, task 2, task 3 and etc. And also you have a days. And each of your tasks has a start date and deadline. And based on this information, you want to create a chart which could help you to realize when should you start your work and when you should finish it. It's really useful if you're doing some big project or you're a manager in some team. So let's start to do it. Basically, we have two options, so the two conditions. So that's why we start from a function's end. And this date have to be bigger or equal than this, and it should be less or equal than deadline. So basically, it should be work time. We have true. Okay, so right now, let's prepare our formula for copying. We're gonna be copy it down and on the right side. So for right side, we have to make absolute our C and D. We don't want that our start date and deadline gonna be going left. And for copying down, we have to make E5 absolute and E5 absolute. So we okay that our formula gonna be changing here, but we don't want that our formula gonna be changing when we're gonna be copy this down. Let's plus enter. Let's change on a 11. Copy. Okay, and let's copy here. That's amazing. And so as we see, we have little formulas where we could see true and false. So, and right now, based on this formula, let's create our charts. Okay, so first of all, let's copy this formula. Copy, enter. Let's select everything. Then we go home, conditional formatting, manage rules. We could plus here and classic. So we're gonna be use formula. And let's just pass our formula, which basically end. Okay, so we start from E5, but our formula start from okay. Okay, applies to this. Okay, let's click here, enter. Okay, so look what do we have. This is really interesting. Let's go little change it. For example, manage rules. Let's edit rule. Format, custom format. And let's, for example, choose fill. For example, this yellow. Okay. Okay, and let's delete all of those information. Also, we could just little manage, edit rule. Let's do like this. Let's add some borders. Okay, that's amazing. So right now, you able to see everything. How should you work when you could start your task or when you should finish. Also, you could change. For example, you realize that too much stuff here. Maybe you should start this early, like on a second, and finish early, like maybe at fifth. And this were changing automatically. This is an amazing tool which you could use, so I'm really glad that I share with you this, guys. So try to repeat it, and thank you for learning my lessons. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and guys, if you think that all of this stuff which I'm sharing with you is valuable, so please leave a comments, put some likes. And also you could sign up on my courses. I have some Udemy and Skillshare courses about Microsoft products and a lot of other stuff. Also, I have a couple of courses which are free. So thank you so much and see you.